Hello everyone. Welcome to ilearnhow. This is your mentor Vincent. Today we'll look at the price of Bitcoin, the breakdown, where it is started and where it should be going and what to expect. So in this video, you will learn about what to do with your investment if you already put a sell from last time at the $37,000 when Bitcoin was crashing, and we're looking at the price, new price now at 34,600, which is where Bitcoin is right now and where it's heading and what to do with the investment. If you're interested in that, check in the video. Let's go. Everyone, welcome back. Here we're in the charts, looking at the chart of Bitcoin and where it's heading. On the previous videos, we talked about the price of Bitcoin breaking out from the $37,000 right up at here, and right now we are already at $34,500. So what's the question is, what is the next move? What should we be looking at? I've actually now been looking at the chart, created this movement here, expecting it to be the path of where Bitcoin will be going. So as I've mentioned in the previous videos, looking at the previous history of Bitcoin, because history will always repeat itself. So look at this. So Bitcoin here has pushed this level and come back to touch it the second time, and we are looking to come back to this level for the third time before we go to reach the all-time high. As you can see, every time we've come to this level, we happen to go to a very high level, come back to touch it, and even higher high, and now we're coming to touch it for the third time, targeting the highest high around $75,000. So if you are ready for this move and you're already locked in your guns and you put a sell trade of the crashing of Bitcoin, I think you are in profit right now. And as you can see, guys, the breaking out strategy works. So last time we had to exit the trade when we were faked out at this level here, when we thought Bitcoin was breaking to the upside only to be faked out the bottom. But we also saw that and we predicted that move as well. So at this point, we entered the trade according to the warning that at 37,000 we can start to open a trade targeting 30,000 and 33,000. Right now, take profit one. We are not that far away from it at 33,000 here. We might be reaching it later today, and from there we can pass and go to reach the level of maybe down here at 29,000 and so on. So it's a quick update of the video that I've been sharing and looking at the movement of Bitcoin, where it might be going. So we're going to actually look back into the weekly chart, and I'll show you something very interesting that maybe you are interested in, maybe just to boost in your confidence in the trade that we are taking right now. Looking backwards in history, you can see this move here where Bitcoin came to this level and pushed higher, transforming this triangle, and came back and pushed higher. The third time, that's when it pushed to the highest high, which we are seeing something or a similar pattern right now, where it moved to the highest, where it never reached the highest high. I mean, this is somewhere around it broke out at 14,000, around 12,000. So if you look, we try to get a measurement. Yeah, that's about around 12,000 here, and moving from 12,000 straight to the 60,000. So we can only imagine what will be happening right now. It's very likely that Bitcoin will be breaking out higher even further. And if we're able to move from 14,000 to 60,000, that is like 6 times or more of that move. So you can see now we are at 30,000. So at 30,000, if it was to move same way 6 times, that will be close to $180,000. So once you buy Bitcoin from 30,000 or from 29,000, I will advise that you actually leave it. Don't sell it, just buy and hold, because this is the kind of trade that can take your money from thousands to possibly a million. So it's going to be trade of the century, and this is the kind of trade that I'll be talking about, and that we'll all probably have the chance of catching. So, however, we'll not just enter blindly. We will also be looking at the price action, what it tells us, and I will be happy to update you with it, guys. So for now, we wait, we look at our trade and look at the money piling, the profits piling. Since we opened from 37,000, now we're at 34,000. So which is very good for us, and I hope you guys took this trade. That is all for now, and hoping to see you on the next video. For now, tatai.